Okay guys, you won't believe what I found when I went shopping today with the wife. So we're out shopping at our wonderful Fred Meyer's that we love to shop at. Before that, about 20 minutes before that, we were at the video game store. I was looking for something I wanted to buy. I was hoping for like a vintage console or a limited edition console. So we went to our local Another Castle, which has all of that stuff, up in Linwood, Washington. They didn't have anything that really caught my attention. I checked the video games and whatnot. These seemed pretty low and on stock. I checked and called all my other GameStops around the area. Nobody seems to have anything in stock. So this kind of turned into a pretty boring day. Then we went to Fred to get some stuff for dinner tonight. I was like, let's check the electronics to see if they have anything out of the ordinary. The last time I checked the electronics in my local Fred Meyer's, they had a limited edition The Last of Us Part 2 PlayStation 4 headset. So I ended up buying that. So right as I was just having second doubts, I'm like, man, I'm not even gonna bother. I was like, let's go ahead and double check it just in case. You never know. It's Fred Meyer's. It's not the busiest electronics department as if you compared it to like Walmart or GameStop or Best Buy. So we go in there, we're checking it out. We're looking at the Switch accessories, the Switch consoles, the Switch games, whatnot. We're talking about next controllers I'm gonna get, etc., etc. And then my beautiful wife looks up and goes, what about that one? And sure enough, I see the Xbox logo on there, and I had to read it 3 times to make sure it's legit, that it's the legit console. So I grabbed the cells up. I'm like, hey, do you only have one of these in stock? And is this a display box? He's like, no, we just got that in today. And yes, we only have one, and no, it's not a display box. So, and the rest is history, obviously. I bought the console on the spot, sight unseen. So here we go. Let's open it real quick. And there we go, guys. Let me adjust that camera real quick. We bought a Xbox Series S, 512 gigabytes, 120 frames per second, all digital. This is the first one I've gotten out of the next gen consoles. I do plan on buying the Xbox Series X, the PS5 digital, and the PS5 with the disc, because I'm a gaming horror fanatic. I want them all, I need them all, and I collect them all. So I was super stoked that I didn't have to sit here and pay $700 for this on eBay. I've been trying to hold my guns down and not pull the trigger and buy one for $1,000 on eBay. So I was super stoked. So if any of you guys are watching this and like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button,